Sending money from Singapore to Thailand can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to determine the purpose of your transfer, as this will help you choose the most suitable method. You can send money for personal or business purposes, and the options available to you include bank transfers, money transfer services, and online platforms. First, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details. If you are using a bank transfer, you will need the recipient's bank name, branch, and SWIFT code. For money transfer services and online platforms, you may need the recipient's email address or mobile number. Next, compare the exchange rates and fees offered by different service providers. Banks often charge higher fees and offer less competitive exchange rates compared to specialized money transfer services. Online platforms like TransferWise, PayPal, and WorldRemit often provide better exchange rates and lower fees. Once you have chosen your service provider, create an account and verify your identity. This is a mandatory step to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. You will need to provide proof of identity, such as your passport or national ID card, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. After verifying your account, enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to transfer. Review the exchange rate, fees, and total cost of the transfer before confirming the transaction. Make sure to check the estimated delivery time, as this can vary depending on the service provider and the recipient's location. Finally, fund the transfer using your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. You will receive a confirmation email or SMS once the transfer is complete, and the recipient will receive the funds in their bank account or mobile wallet. To get the best value for your money, consider the following best practices. Always compare exchange rates and fees before making a transfer, and choose a service provider that offers a competitive rate and low fees. Be aware of any additional charges, such as transfer fees or commission charges, and factor these into your comparison. Additionally, consider the security and reliability of the service provider, and read reviews from other customers to ensure you are using a reputable service.